up, YouTube? How's everyone doing on this beautiful Tuesday afternoon, or whatever day it is when you're watching? Today we got a little video explanation of what happened to my second bike, my Ducati, the other day. Man, why did I go this way? So this is what happened on Friday last week with my Ducati. I was so pissed that I actually didn't have my camera on me. So got off of work and heading down the highway, normal speeds and all that good stuff, having fun. And I get off on an exit to where I usually get off to go home. And I'm sitting at the light and I look down like this and I see a little smoke coming out right in this area of the handlebars. And usually the Ducati has a little leak of coolant, and I just thought it was coolant burning off or whatever. I was going to stop at the next light and check it out and make sure all is good. So I go to the next street light and I stop and I look down right where the foot pegs are. There's freaking flames coming out on both sides. So what I do is I jump off my bike and I push it off to the side, and there's a Taco Bell. There's a Taco Bell right there. So first of all, I was like, should I call 911? What the hell do I do? I looked at the bike. I can't see flames anymore, but I still see a lot of smoke coming out. So what I do is I run into Taco Bell with my helmet on, my gloves. I forgot to even flip my freaking visor up. I just wanted to find a fire extinguisher. So I run in there. There's nobody at the counter. I freaking go in the kitchen area, and the manager sees me. He freaks out. He thought I was robbing the place. I didn't even think about that. I could have gotten shot or something. So what I do is I started screaming, "Hey man, I need a, what's up? How's it?
Is that 1,000 cc?
17.
Hold on a second. What was that?
2017.
2017?
Yeah.
1,000 now?
Yeah.
I'll go with you.
Okay.
That's a good looking bike.
I've never seen that bike, man. That's nice.
Hey, here we go.
So as I was saying, I was at the Taco Bell. I asked for a fire extinguisher. By the time I run out with the fire extinguisher, one of the guys saw me jump off my bike, and he put it out with Diet Coke. He goes, "Don't worry, man. It's Diet Coke. It doesn't have sugar." It was about 2 inches away from a fuel line before it caught fuel and probably exploded or whatever. But that was it. That was I got really lucky, man. Hell yeah.
When did you buy that thing?
When?
When did you buy it?
A year ago.
Really?
Yeah.
I just bought this like a month ago. I worked for BMW on 28.
Yeah?
So I bought it from the MotoHerC on Division.
I got my Ducati. You want to stop somewhere so we can talk real quick?
Yeah. Let's pull in here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, you become good enough friends with me. My girlfriend's mom, she makes some good gras.
Man, those two things together, gras and pita, I eat them together. It's awesome, man.
Yeah, oh, here goes another one.
What the hell?
Alright, I'll be talking to you soon, okay?
Alright, my friend. You don't mind being on YouTube, right?
Oh, heck no, put me on there.
Alright. Freaking ants in the garage, they go in my freaking gloves. Let's get some gas. Nice car, man. Now I might have to show you the damage of the Ducati. I shouldn't say the damage or what the fire did to the bike in the next video. Until next time, YouTube. See ya.